Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Microsoft Teams desktop app with meeting fixes, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update the Microsoft Teams desktop app, begin by launching the application. Look for your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the Teams window. Click on your profile picture to open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, select Check for Updates. Microsoft Teams will now start looking for any available updates. If an update is available, the download will begin automatically. Wait patiently for the download to complete. Once the download is finished, Teams will prompt you to restart the app. Click on the Restart button to apply the update. After the app restarts, the updates will take effect. Once Teams is open again, check if the meeting issues have been resolved. If you still encounter issues, consider clearing the Teams cache. To clear the cache, completely close the Teams application. Next, navigate to the File Explorer on your computer. In the address bar, type in %appdata% and press Enter. Locate the Microsoft folder within the AppData directory. Open the Microsoft folder and find the Teams folder inside. Delete the Teams folder to clear its cache. Now, reopen the Teams application. The app will recreate the cache files upon startup. By following these steps, you should have the latest updates and a fresh cache. This will help ensure that you have the best performance during meetings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.